Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar, which week is going on, and we have you demo vibes. You wished for Asake's and Wizkid song called MMS. Okay, so this song comes from the album Lungo Boy. Okay, so a nice, cool song there, 3-chord, and we're gonna do that with capo on 4th. So put that on, and this is special for you demo vibes and all you Asake Wizkid fans. Let's do it together now. Let's go with the chords. We're gonna start with B minor 7. All right, so that's a bar chord. So you play the bar on the 2nd fret and you bar 5 strings. If you count from bottom and up like this, 5 strings on the 2nd fret, and then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. There you have the B minor 7. We have the E minor next. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is A minor 7. And that goes open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. All right. So B minor 7, E minor, A minor. All right. So we have this bass going on in the beginning, and we have to put the notes a little bit differently because we don't have the bass note enough. Otherwise we have to tune down a lot and we cannot use the capo. Everything will be kind of off if we try to go exactly in the same direction as this exact bass. So I'm gonna translate them into the same notes but at different places. It will be a little bit higher, but yeah, you will understand it will be accurate anyway. So the bass is like this. Right? That is the bass, and I believe this is not the thing you want to play if you play guitar. Like, this is just additional info, kind of the bass going on there in the background, and the thing you're gonna play is what comes next after this. But I want to show you this as well to give you in the notes, and you can use them if you want to. So you're gonna play 2nd on A string, 4th on D, and open B. That is the B minor part. Then we have the E minor part. It goes. That is open E string, and then 2nd A. And then we have the A minor part, and that is basically to play 3 times on the open A string. And that is 1 round. So. Alright, so. And so on. Alright, that is the bass in the background. Now into the meat and potato of this song, the chords and the little extra notes added to it. So we have the B minor 7, the E minor, and the A minor in that order through the entire song. So what you're gonna do now is to start with B minor, and if you want you can pick or make a downstroke, or you can kind of roll down a little bit slowly, string by string. It's up to you. Alright, or just 1 downstroke. It's up to you, but try to stop at the B string. So you play that string as the last when you do the first down. You want that note, the 3rd fret on B string from the B minor chord. Then you're gonna add the notes 2nd fret E string from the actual chord, the bar. And then you're gonna reach out to the 5th fret E string. And that's it for B minor 7. So what you're gonna do is to roll down, or 1 downstroke, stop at the B, and then 2nd E string, 5th E. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the E minor chord, hold it as it is, and you're gonna do the roll down again, and try to stop at the open B string. So avoid the E string. If you make a downstroke, avoid the E string like I just played. Stop at that position, all right? If you roll down, then you could use the bass string, the open E string, and then the D, G, and B. this. Okay? And then you're gonna add a note, 3rd fret B string. And that's it for E minor. So roll down and add a 3rd fret B string. That's it for E minor. Over now to the final chord, A minor 7. You roll down again, stop at the B string. This time you had the 1st fret B string as the note. And then you have this little bit different quick melody thing going on there. Okay, so what you're gonna do here, you have 2 options. Either you go and start on 3rd fret B string, slide up to 5th, go back and play the 3rd B string again, then open B and 2nd G. You can slide up there. If you do that, you will not pick the 5th fret B string, you will just slide. You will pick the 1st, 3rd fret and slide up, and then you go back and pick the 3rd. Or you can go, instead of slide to 5th fret B string, you can use the open high E. Everything else is the same, but then you need to pick that note. So 3rd fret B, open high E, 3rd B, open B, and 2nd G. That's the same note, so it's up to you. I would choose to go to the 5th. Okay, and what I do then, when I slide up to 5th, I go back to and play the 3rd fret B string, and then I snap off, I pull off to get the open B string there. So I don't play that as well. So I pull off the open B string and I just slide up to 5th. So 2 notes there I'm not picking, just using the momentum there and the pull off. Okay, so that is 1 round. Slowly goes like this. Okay, so there you have 1 round, and it goes like that from the beginning till the very end. Demo vibes. This one especially for you, but also all fans of Gordon guitar, of course, Asake Wizkid and all that. But if you're a fan of Gordon guitar, if you like my channel here, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Support me in any way you can. I really appreciate it. It gives me motivation to go on and give you weeks like this wonderful Wish Week, your songs. So yeah, hope to see you soon, guys. And until next time, play tuned.